Hello, welcome to this tutorial video in which I will show you how to customize the graphical user interface, short GUI, settings of the Imalytics Preclinical software to best suit your needs. Let me open the software first. I will use the versions 3.1.4 in this demo. And first I will open example dataset under tutorials, general, introduction, not example dataset. Let me open the 3D rendering. What we see here is the CT scan of a mouse that was injected with 3 tracers, and the PET inspect signals of the tracers are loaded as overlay. Now when you go to the main menu item options, you can find the GUI settings here. And we have 4 different items, and I will explain them in detail now. So the first one is set menu font size. My font size is now at 12. I will increase the size to 20. And you see that the font size of the main menu, as well as the upper toolbar and the mouse action toolbar, was enlarged. You can also decrease the size, for example to 8. 8 is the minimum of the size. You cannot go below it. Here you see that the OK button is not active, so 8 is the minimum. Otherwise the font size will be too small. Okay, I will set it back to 12. And now the next is the set toolbar icon size. And here the icon size is at 30, so I can also make it smaller or larger. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And now you see that the icons are smaller of the upper toolbar and also of the mouse mode toolbar and of the mouse action toolbar. I can go back to 30. Now it's bigger. Okay, the third one is mouse mode text size. Now it's 20, but to show you this I will create a marker because it's the font size of those mouse options, and also I will do a length measurements. Okay, and now this is at 20, and I can make the font size bigger. For example, I go to 30, and this might be helpful for the visualization for some publication images, to make it smaller or bigger. Let me go back to 20. And the last item is the app theme. And here I have the light mode, but you can also use the dark mode of the Imalytics Preclinical software. And maybe you have realized the dark mode because it's used in the demos of the Imalytics Preclinical by Felix Kremser a lot, or also by our developers, or in some tutorial videos. Because the dark mode, it has some advantages. It can reduce the eye strain, so less blue light means more comfort, especially during long hours. It can improve your focus. A darker interface minimizes distractions and enhances concentration. It can save battery life, especially on OLED screens, where darker pixels consume less power. And of course, it also looks a little bit more stunning, because it's more modern and elegant. So you can decide what user interface you like more, if you like dark mode or the light mode. And another thing I would like to mention, you cannot undo the changes of the GUI settings. So for example, when I go back, you see I cannot set the software back to the light mode by using the undo buttons. So this doesn't work in this case. And when you close the software, I close it and I open it again, the GUI settings stay the same. So you don't have to always adjust them. When you set them to your font sizes you like and to the dark or to the light theme, it will always be the same when you open the software again. Okay, I think that's all about the GUI settings for the moment. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.